Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can track progress of candidates applications process using your Trello account. Now, what would happen here? Whenever a new candidate will apply for a job in our Recruitee account, an automatic card will be created in our Trello account by his name. Now, why would you need this automation? This automation would be very useful whenever you want to view particular type of candidates applying for particular kind of jobs or particular kind of position in your company. So what will happen? Whenever a person will apply for a particular kind of job, we will make a Trello card based on that position, and only those candidates will be added to those positions in Trello card. Now, you all know about Recruitee. Recruitee is a platform where people post for jobs and people are applying for jobs. And Trello is a list building software where we can build lists, where we can build cards, and we can use it as a work management tool. Now, to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Recruitee and Trello together. Now, if you want to learn how to do this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. So we are back at our screen, and what we have to do, we have to go to the address bar and type in pabbly.com/connect and press enter. And as soon as we will do that, we will be redirected to this beautiful web page. And here you can see we have two options. First one is sign in, second one is sign up. Now, if you already have an account, you can just go for sign in, and if you do not have an account, you have to go for sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and it will also give you 100 free tasks every month from our side, so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you here. Okay, so I already have an account, so I'll just go for sign in, and here this is my account. I'll just go for login, and here I will click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Now you can see I have already opened my Asana and Recruitee, so that I do not have to open it while I am making a workflow, to save some time. And here what we are going to do, we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button, and we will give it a name. Okay, so now we are going to give it the name. We are going to give it the name as Recruitee to Trello. Because I am connecting Recruitee to Trello, I am giving it this name. You can give it whatever you want to. Now you can see here we have two windows. First one is trigger, second one is action. Now, trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process, or when the final event is happening. Okay, so what is our trigger here? Our trigger will be Recruitee, because we are adding new candidate to our Recruitee account, or we are creating a new candidate here. So our trigger will be Recruitee. And now what will be our trigger event? Here we will go for candidate is created. Okay, now as you can see, it is asking me to connect my Pabbly account to my Recruitee account. And how do I connect it? I will connect it by using this webhook URL and by following these instructions here. Okay, so here it is written, go to settings, apps and plugins, webhooks, new webhook, enter a name for webhook, then copy this URL and paste it into the post URL field, and under send a message, choose the event as candidate created and click on verify and create to save the integration. Okay, so this is exactly what we are going to do. We will go here into Recruitee. We'll go to settings. Here we will search for apps and plugins. After that, we will search for webhooks. So this is the webhooks part. And here what we are going to do, we are going to click on new webhook. Now here we are going to give it a name. So the name is Recruitee to Asana, and the URL which we just copied from Pabbly Connect account, we are going to paste that URL here. And now here what we are doing, we are creating a candidate. So we will select this message, candidate created. A new candidate applies or is created. Now I'll click on verify and create. Now you can see we have successfully created our we have successfully connected our Pabbly Connect account to our Recruitee account. Now here you can see it is asking us for the webhook response. So what we are going to do, we are going to click on a recapture webhook response, and whenever a new candidate is created here, what will happen? The response will come in Pabbly Connect account. So you can see this is Recruitee. Now here we can make candidates by two ways, by following two ways. Okay, First one is I can directly add candidate here, which I am going to do in few minutes, or sorry, in few seconds. And the second one is, this is the careers hub. This is the name of my website, careers site. Okay. Now, whenever I will click on, you can see this, the open position is only for senior marketer right now. So I'll click on view job, and here I'll click on apply. So you can see here it is asking me for my CV and resume. Here it is full name, email address, phone number, photo, and here is the cover letter. And these are some questions which the candidate will be filling in, so that we can analyze that what kind of person we are hiring. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. Whenever the candidate will fill this, it will automatically go to our Pabbly Connect account and a response will be taken. But I am not doing this right now. I am just adding it directly. Okay, so here I am just going to click on add manually, and here I am going to put John Warrior. So John Warrior, and here we have one job for senior marketer. So we are just going to click on this and save. And here what we are going to do, we are just going to put his email here, John Warrior @gmail.com. Phone number is a dummy number, 98765467889. Good. Show more fields. I do not want to add any social media links or other links, and I do not have any CV or resume right now with me, so I am not going to upload any file. I am just going to add this. And as soon as I will add this, you will see I will have a new candidate here by the name John Warrior and applying for the senior marketer job. And here you can see in Pabbly Connect, I have received a new, you can see a new response here, John Warrior @gmail.com. The person's name is John Warrior. This is the number. Okay. And this is the position he is applying for. Sorry, not this one, this one. This is the position he is applying for. Now what we are going to do, our first step of connecting our Pabbly Connect account and our Recruitee is completed. Now we are just going to go down, and here in action window, we are going to select Trello, because we are going to create card on Trello. So our action would be Trello, and here what we are going to do in Trello, we are going to create a card. And now you can see here we have two options: create a card with markdown type description and create a card with plain text type description. So we want to create a card with the plain text type description, and that is why I'm choosing this one. And I'll just go and click on connect. Now here I'll go for add new connection, and here you can see it is asking you for the username, API key, and your token. So first we are going to take the API key and token and username as well. So we are going to take these three as well. So how do we do that? You can just go and click here. Okay. And as soon as you will click there, you can see this is your API key. So just copy this key, go back and paste it in your API key field. Now go here. This is our whole interface of the Trello account. Now what you have to do, you have to go here and you have to go click on this token button, so that you will get your username and your token as well. So what we are going to do, first we are going to copy username, which is this Ashirai2. So just copy this, go to your username and paste it. And in token field, what you have to do, go here again and click on allow. And you can see this is your token. So just copy this whole token and paste it here. Okay. Now click on save. And as soon as you will click on save, you will see your Trello account is connected to your Pabbly Connect account successfully. And now it is asking you for choosing the board. So we have so many boards here. Let me go back here in my Trello and let me show you. So these are the boards which we have here. So I have just created a new board, a Recruitee here for you. So what we are going to do, we are going to select our board Recruitee. So we have two Recruitee boards. Let me just refresh this. And now we are going to go for list ID. So here list ID is new job applications, because I only have one list ID here in my Trello, which is this new job applications. And now here it is asking you for the name. So you can just give the name manually, job applications, and let me make it Recruitee job applications. Okay, that would be nice because we are creating a new card. So this is the name of our card. Description. So description would be details of the candidate. And now what I'm going to do, friends, I am just going to use a technique which is called mapping, and mapping will let me take the data from this window here and it will let me put the data here in this window. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to map all the details. So first one is johnwarrior@gmail.com. That's Gmail. Okay, let's just not map this first. Let's just map the name first. So name is John Warrior. Now email is johnwarrior@gmail.com. Now go for the phone number. And I don't think we have anything else here apart from name, email and phone number. Okay, we have this title or position of the senior marketer for which he is applying. So let's just do this. And now let's just name it. That would be much better. First one is name. Okay. Second one is email. Third one is phone number. And fourth one is position for which he's applying. Okay. So this is the description, and now I do not want to add anything else here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on save and send test request. And as soon as I will do that, you can see a new ID has been generated here, 622595525 and so on. And now what we are going to do, we are just going to go back to our Trello and we will see if a new card is made here or not. So let's just refresh it. So here you can see I have my new card and this is the name Recruitee job applications. And you can see description details of the candidate, John Warrior, email johnwarrior@gmail.com, phone number is this and position is this. Okay. Now let us try it for one more time with another candidate. Let me just add a new candidate, add manually. So Trisha Bhatnagar, she is also applying for the senior marketer. Trisha Bhatnagar @gmail.com. Phone number is dummy number again, 98767890554, and click on add. Now as soon as we will click on add, by the process of automation, this new applicant will also be added to our new job applications. And here you can see details of the candidate. Name is Trisha Bhatnagar, email is this, phone number is this, and position is this. So friends, this is how you can connect your Trello account to your Recruitee account, and whenever a new candidate will be created in Recruitee, or whenever a new candidate will apply in a Recruitee account, a new account will be created in your Trello. A new card will be created in your Trello account with the details of that person who is applying in your Recruitee account. So this can be a very useful automation for your business. And if you want to use this automation, if you want to clone this workflow, you can just go into my description box and clone this beautiful workflow into your account. But for that, you need to have an account, and for that you need to go and sign up. Signing up is absolutely free, and we are also giving you 100 free tasks every month so that you can practice the workflows that we are teaching you. So what are you waiting for? Go and sign up now. Hasta la vista. Take care. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.